Today we are going to make sausage buns. Especially our kids love sausage buns. So let's give them some homemade buns. There are some more lovely photos of my previous recipes in dailylife.lk site. You can watch all of them from there. These are the ingredients that we need for this recipe. Out of these ingredients, we can make 20 sausage buns. First, we need to sprinkle yeast and sugar on lukewarm milk. Give it a gentle stir and set aside around 6 to 7 minutes until yeast active. In a small bowl, beat eggs a bit and keep aside. Add yeast, melted margarine and salt to flour. Using a wooden spoon, give it a good mix. Then we need to add eggs. Reserve around 1 tablespoon of eggs. We need this to do the egg wash after making all buns. After that, start mixing the dough by using your hands. Transfer this dough onto a flat surface and knead gently around 15 minutes. If the dough is a bit sticky, apply flour on your hands and knead. We need to knead the dough until it becomes smooth and elastic. When the dough is ready, cut the dough into 20 equal parts. Now make small balls out of those pieces. After making all balls, let it rise for another 20 to 30 minutes. Take one ball and make it flat like this. Then roll the dough into a rope. This dough rope should be lengthy enough to cover the sausage. Now starting from one corner, gently wrap it around the sausage. Seal the edges very well. When you wrap, don't cover the whole sausage. Let it come out from the corners a bit. Also, make sure to wash and dry the sausage before using them. After making all the buns, we need to let it rise around 15 to 20 minutes more. Before baking, we need to egg wash these buns. Apply reserved beaten egg on top and sides of the bun using a brush. Place the baking tray in the preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius and bake these buns around 15 minutes until they become golden brown. Your kids will definitely love these tasty hot sausage buns. If you make this bun, don't forget to share some photos in my Rasata Uyamu Facebook group. See you soon with another new video. Till then, subscribe my channel and ring the bell.